Project 4, Task 3B. This is where you're going to be delivering your 3 30-minute group-based training sessions. Now, don't forget, there's a couple of key criteria here. Your sessions must be 30 minutes each. They must be to a group of a minimum of 4 people. Not concurrently, so you can't do one session and then go, right, done, and then the next session. There needs to be a gap or a break between those sessions. Now, it could be that you do one session in the morning, have a break for lunch, and maybe there's some other workplace work that's undertaken during that time, and then you might have another session a week later or maybe even in the afternoon. But the key is they're not allowed to be back-to-back. They need to be either in a workplace or in a simulated environment. But the critical piece of information here is they must be face-to-face, in person. So that means we can't do them via Zoom. Those people must be in the room with you. Now, if you're at Foresight's training, we will have the facilities to be able to achieve that here. But we're actually encouraging as many videos in this instance so that way they're undertaken back in the workplace. The evidence must be observed by your assessor. So if we're seeing it here, that's great, we'll see it live. If not, you'll need to submit video evidence. Now, some critical things with the video evidence that you submit. It must show all people in the video. We must see that there is an audience of 4 from the start of the video through to the end of the video. We need to be able to see your interaction and your engagement with them throughout the session. So they're the important things with regards to the video. You can get some more information about uploading your video in Canvas, so please follow those instructions carefully. But just remember, it must be in person, face-to-face, and there must be a minimum of 4 people in the room with you while you're presenting and be captured on that video from the start of your session through to the end of your session. At this point in time, you should have also submitted Project 4 Task 2, which are your session plans. Remember, your assessor needs to have a look at your session plans while you're presenting to ensure that you are following the structure that you develop those session plans in. So we look forward to seeing your video submissions and how wonderful trainers you've become following those session plans that you've developed.